was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It's sad, so sad.